Today, we've got two car carburetors going head-to-head, the LAUNCH CRP123X Elite and the Topdon AD600S. Think of this as a friendly face-off. We'll tweak engines without sounding like tech robots.
The LAUNCH CRP123X Elite. This scan tool packs serious diagnostic power in a compact touchscreen package. So let's get into it. Experience 5x faster diagnostics, 90+ wider car coverage from 1996 to 2025, weekly updates ensuring compatibility. Additionally, 7 reset for daily repairs, upgraded Android 8.1, 32GB ROM, 6100 mAh battery, the scan tool with lifetime updates, 5-year undertaking. No fee is charged. LAUNCH CRP123X offers pro-level features with entry-level ease. Bid farewell to expensive visits to the repair shop for routine maintenance resets like oil changes or brake pad installations. The diagnostic tool effortlessly addresses common automotive issues with one click. Support ETC, oil, SAS, brake, BMS, DPF, ABS bleeding, continually updating to include newer models from 2024 to 2025. The LAUNCH CRP123X car scanner with enhanced compatibility, which is designed for those car owners who want to figure out the cause issue before fixing the car problem. It efficiently reads and clears codes, offers ECU information, and displays live data for ABS, SRS, engine, and transmission modules. Just a few clicks, you can easily understand the vehicle's condition. LAUNCH Diagnostic Scanner offers live data for a range of parameters like oil temperature, pressure, engine speed, and more. 4-in-1 data displayed in color graphs or text, you gain a clear and precise understanding of your vehicle's condition. The LAUNCH scanner supports real-time battery voltage monitoring, automatically analyzing and presenting the information in graphical form. LAUNCH CRP123X supports over 80 global brands. Upgrade with one-touch feature updates and expanding car coverage to ensure compatibility with a diverse range of vehicles, diagnosing vehicles from 1996 to 2025. Auto-auth access allows diagnosing more FCA vehicles. Additionally, it supports diesel, 12-volt only, gasoline, 12-volt passenger cars, pickups, light-duty trucks, SUVs, and minivans, ensuring comprehensive coverage for all your diagnostic needs. Okay, now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: fast and accurate diagnostics, full system scan, user-friendly touchscreen interface, free lifetime updates via Wi-Fi, compact and portable. And cons: no bi-directional control, actuator tests, limited coverage for some high-end vehicle systems. If you're a DIYer, advanced enthusiast, or entry-level mechanic, the CRP123X Elite gives you professional-level scanning without the pro price tag. It's also perfect as a second tool in a shop environment. Great for quick diagnostics before you pull out the big guns. So there you have it. The LAUNCH CRP123X Elite is reliable, powerful, and easy to use. If you want to check it out, I've dropped a link below.
Topdon AD600S, a powerful OBD2 scanner that's packed with features usually reserved for professional-grade tools. Is this the budget-friendly diagnostic powerhouse we've been waiting for? Let's find out. Updated new version AD600S. Discover the improved version of Topdon AD600S OBD2 scanner. Now immerse yourself in a seamlessly diagnostic experience with Android 11.0 OS. With an upgraded 32GB ROM, this scan tool offers ample storage and faster performance. The 5-inch display with 1280 by 720 resolution offers high-definition clarity, ensuring easy readability for every diagnostic detail. For car owners dealing with common issues such as engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS, the Topdon AD600S code scanner delivers professional diagnostic services. It easily reads and clears fault codes, analyzes data streams, and more, ensuring a quick identification of problems. Additionally, the DDC lookup function provides corresponding fault code analysis. Say goodbye to costly trips to the repair shop for resetting after routine maintenance, such as changing oil, replacing tires, or installing new brake pads. The AD600S diagnostic tool effortlessly tackles common automotive challenges with just one click. Cut costs and cut the hassle with its 9 reset functions: oil, BMS, ABS, SAS, EPB, DPF, TPMS, throttle, injector coating. The upgraded AD600S car scanner now supports 67+ global brands and 10,000+ models, ensuring compatibility with a diverse range of vehicles. Whether American, German, French, or Japanese, the AD600S diagnostic scanner has you covered. The AD600S diagnostic tool offers free upgrades with convenient one-click updates via Wi-Fi. Our dedicated Topdon technical team continuously enhances our product's software, providing users with expanded vehicle support and an improved user experience through regular updates. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: easy to use, wide vehicle coverage, fast scanning and accurate results, no hidden subscription fees, rugged design and clear interface. And cons: interface is fast, but not touchscreen. No support for advanced coding or ECU programming. So, is the Topdon AD600S worth it? Absolutely, especially if you want a reliable, feature-rich scanner without breaking the bank. Whether you're fixing your own ride or running a small garage, this thing punches way above its weight.
If you want this scanner, please check out the links in the description below. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.